KJ Motors, back on the DeLorean, front suspension rebuild. Okay, so what we're going to do first of all, we're going to mark the track rod end so we know where it is for retracking later. We're going to crack off the 19mm lock nut on the arm. That's nice and free. Clamp the hose for the brake. We've only really disconnected that one, but it's clamped off. Okay, got 36mm on the hub nut. We're going to check that with the bar to see how the thread feels and how tight it is. Actually, that's quite loose, so that's good. Okay, so that's undone. So we spin that off. Spin that off with an electric gun. Okay, that's off. We've got a 17mm on the track rod end. Spin that off. That's off. We're going to remove the brake caliper now. I'm just going to ease the pads back very slightly, just to make it easy to get off, especially if you've got a lip on your brake disc. That is a 19mm on them. Spin that off with electric wire. Okay, that's nice. Everything on front suspension has to have some sort of locking device on the bolts or nuts. So normally you've got nylock nuts onto every component, or what's called a castle nut, which has a split pin in it. Every suspension has to have some sort of locking device on every bolt and nut for safety reasons, obviously. It's that one off. You see that split washer, which actually locks it, is broken, so we'll be changing them. Okay, that's the brake caliper off. Now the brake disc will just slide off. Set that's off nicely. Okay, that's all off. We're going to take off the back plate as well, because we'll get it all cleaned up and repainted with heat resistant paint. They're just 30mm bolts there. Spin them off. That's all off. There's a spacer there. With that back plate off. So it shows you more of the hub, what we're dealing with there. So obviously we've got two castle nuts there, what I was telling you about, with split pins. So remove the split pins, always fit new ones. So that'll be coming out new ones. Okay. So actually that has got a tight spot in that. So we'll be having a look at that, see what's going on there. Hopefully that'll be the lower ball joint. Got a tight spot, but we'll sort that. Okay, back soon. KJ Motors, back on the DeLorean. Okay, these are the lower arms that we're going to be fitting. Quite nice actually. One piece aluminium. Come with the ball joint pressed in and the bush pressed in from DeLorean and Go. Also we have a support kit for the lower arms, braided hose kit, and also a bush kit. Okay, moving down, this is what we got at the moment. We've got a steel lower arm. What we're going to do today is actually clean up all the threads that we need to. Okay, I don't know what's going on there, but investigate that, why there's that grease all around there. Don't like the look of that locking nut, so we'll have a look at that. Okay, must we get the brake disc skimmed as well. So we're just going to get everything penetrated up today. We're going to use Rocket penetrating spray, cordless drill with a brush. Get everything cleaned up. Okay, that's it for now.